Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Join us as we delve into the GeneDx Atom DNA Test Kit, a comprehensive tool for exploring your genetic health. Links to the product are available in the description below. GeneDx, a respected leader in the field of genetic testing, offers the Atom DNA Kit as a powerful resource for individuals seeking advanced understanding of their genetic predispositions. This kit is specifically designed for those concerned about hereditary conditions, rare genetic disorders, and potential medical issues, particularly those with relevant personal or family medical histories. GeneDx specializes in clinical-grade genetic testing, providing highly accurate results with a strong emphasis on health and medical insights. Their comprehensive service analyzes genes associated with hereditary conditions like cardiovascular disease, neurological disorders, and cancer risks. Furthermore, the test empowers healthcare providers to make more precise diagnoses for complex or rare conditions, informing treatment plans and preventative strategies. The process is simple, starting with a quick cheek swab or saliva collection. Once your sample arrives at the GeneDx lab, their team uses advanced sequencing technology to perform an in-depth analysis of your DNA. Results are delivered through a secure online platform and often include consultation options with genetic counselors to help you interpret the findings and determine appropriate next steps. GeneDx stands out by offering a highly personalized approach to genetic testing, addressing specific needs such as pediatric conditions or adult-onset disorders. They provide actionable insights, including personalized health management plans based on your unique genetic makeup. This makes the kit invaluable for patients, caregivers, and individuals proactively managing potential genetic health risks. While GeneDx's services are primarily medically focused, they may not be the best fit for casual users seeking general ancestry or wellness information. The reports are detailed and comprehensive and may require professional interpretation to fully grasp their implications. In conclusion, GeneDx's Atom DNA Test Kit is a leading choice for advanced, health-focused DNA testing. If you seek a reliable, clinically oriented service that prioritizes precision and actionable medical insights, this kit is an excellent option. For further information and to embark on your genetic health journey, visit the links provided in the description below.